Okay, we need a ball of white like this. Again, make it into more of a cone shape like this. And I'm going to flatten it just a little bit. I'm going to take it over the spaghetti. Let me turn this to the side so you can see the angle. I'm not placing it right on top like this. I'm actually angling it down a little bit like that. Okay, let me turn it back around. Then I take a little bit more of that flesh tone. And roll this into a ball. And then out a little bit like this and flatten it. A little bit of water right in the front. And place this right over the front. Okay, with the paintbrush you can make 2 little places for the nose. What I like to do is take the toothpick and stick it in and pull up this way for a mouth, up this way. Stick it in and pull it up this way for a mouth up here. Like he's smiling. Okay. Turn him around so I can see him. Make sure everything's where it's supposed to be. Okay, he needs horns, ears. Ears a little bit off to the side. I stick the toothpick in and rotate around on this side. Stick it in over here and rotate around on this side. We need white for the ears. They're small balls, and then we'll turn them into cone shapes. Start with something like that. See if this is the right size. So roll it into a ball here. Place it up on this part of your hand. Roll back and forth to make more of a teardrop or coney type thing. And then we need something rounded out. You could use the back of a paintbrush or a fondant tool like this, but it's similar to the back of a paintbrush. What I do is I place it right in the center and just roll back and forth once or twice. Then I pick it up and pinch it at the base. Place a little bit of water in this opening. Insert that and then use the back of this to push it on. There we go. Same thing on the other side. Okay. All right, next step, we're going to do the hair on top. That's done with the black. So this is what I do. It's almost the same shape, the cone. Start with the ball and then do more of the cone like this. But this time what I do is I actually flatten this part of the cone. Okay, I place it over the top like this. Okay, and then I'm touching the cornstarch because it's sticking to my fingers a little bit. And then I flatten this part just a little bit. Then I take some very small scissors and I make little cuts. Okay, then you can take a toothpick and actually kind of push it on a little more and make more little lines for the hair. And just kind of flatten that down. You can pull this out a little bit, like so. Thank you. Looks like I messed. I kind of poked in a little bit too much at the mouth. Okay. All right, so for the eyes we're going to start with some black. And I'm just going to use black royal icing. Okay, I want to just pipe an oval, so squeeze, move the tip up and back down. And then we'll just do a little dot of white on top.